Okay, let's take a look at the Aussie. Not something that I'm terribly confident at the moment. Okay, there are a few salient points that need to take note of. Okay, overall, I would say that the Bears have a slight, still has an advantage over the Bulls at this point. Okay, two things you want to take note is that this 2-year rally is a rising wedge, a lot of overlap, and clearly corrective. And then this wedge is already broken, so basically this is the first thing that's pointing towards the bearish side. Okay, and then the second thing is that this small little area appears to be a developing contracting bearish triangle. So I would think that after some sideways movement or even slightly higher towards M5, it will still point lower, at least in the short term. So basically these two facts suggest to me that the Aussie is still in a bearish mode. But then I have a little bit of problem with this move itself. It doesn't look exactly impulsive. Okay, there's too much overlap. Okay, but rationally speaking, I like to lean towards the bearish side. So I've counted it more bearishly. So I've taken a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 count. But this kind of count is of low probability. And then if I take that count, this first move is actually a leading diagonal, which is pretty rare. So on these two facts, I have very low confidence of a correct count at this point. And there's also one possibility that this correction itself is actually an incomplete one. As you can see that the whole bear trend is actually quite long, and this is pretty shallow. So my concern is it may be an A, B, C kind of correction. So there may be a lot more twists and turns going forward. But as far as I'm concerned right now, I think I like to stick with the bearish side and look for lower prices. Okay, but then again, I won't be putting money on this pair basically. So if the balls are good, then maybe you can consider doing some options at this point. No direct trade recommended at